Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I'm back in my kitchen and I am going to be emptying the dishwasher on this tiny tidy Tuesday. I walked down the hallway this morning and realized there are dishes waiting to be put into the dishwasher, which was run last night. So I need to empty out these dishes, which normally there wouldn't be this many, but last night I followed a recipe and made dinner and there was tons of dishes from it. So I'm just gonna take you along as I empty the dishwasher and reload it with these dishes here that are just dying to get inside. I saw a meme once a while back that said something like, the dishwasher in your home is like the best party in town. All the dirty dishes are just dying to get inside. I was gonna try to find it so that I could put it on here in the video, and I could not find it. So clearly I either imagined it or it's so old that it's not in existence any longer, but you get the picture with that. Welcome again to my channel and welcome to Tiny Tidy Tuesday. This is an open collaboration hosted by my sweet friend Sunday Dawn. Her channel is The Helpful Home, which will be linked in my description box below, as well as the link to the Tiny Tidy playlist will be in my description, and that will be full of lots of motivation and inspiration for you to get something tidied or a tiny task done around your home this week. Happy Mother's Day to all of my fellow mothers. I hope that you had a good weekend, whatever that looks like for you. Of course, now after Mother's Day, we're all back to business as usual, which is okay. I pray for you in your role as a mother. I hope that you had a fabulous day and that you felt celebrated and appreciated. Thanks again for watching today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Sometimes I like to edit and sort of keep my video in real time instead of speeding it up like I usually do. It always makes me feel more productive whenever I watch back an edited video that's sped up. But sometimes it's nice to just watch in real time, keep things slow moving even though we're moving forward. Progress is progress no matter how slow we're moving. If you enjoyed this video, leave me a thumbs up before you leave. And I'd love it if you consider subscribing so that you can join my YouTube community here. I would love to have you. Be sure and check out the playlist linked in my description box below, and check out all the other ladies that are tiny tidying this Tuesday. Like I said before, I hope you had a fabulous Mother's Day. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.